kids is a little hectic, okay? There was 4 kids here, and I was stressing. I never had to do so many dishes in my whole entire life. Like, oh.
You love washing dishes? Good.
You still trying that, huh?
I'm not trying anything. They're gonna wash dishes today. One thing is for sure.
You hear it?
Oh.
I wonder if
you guys can hear that.
Right?
They probably hear the kids more than they hear the...
I know, huh? Thunder.
Thunder and lightning. It's kind of hard to make videos, especially when you have guests, especially when those guests are little minions and they are loud and, you know, opinionated. They always got something to say. So when you try to do something, they just barge in. Boom. What are you doing?
Yeah, 4 little minions. Now we're back down to 3, so that's great.
Yeah, we just need to focus on working, getting back into rhythm, getting back into a workout groove. I know this one right here has been desperate and anxious to get back into her rhythm.
Yeah.
Because she just started the rhythm and she doesn't want to be deterred. So today I'm going to try to push her to get back into the funk and only good things. So.
All good teens.
Yeah. I want to start working out too, but for whatever reason my back has been just going through the works.
Yeah, getting old, y'all.
It's not
I'm
old.
kidding, it's a joke.
I'm young. Gonna get her back in rhythm.
We got this. We got this.
And as far as my videos go, I want to continue to do them as well. Get that going because I have like 4 or 5 that are ready to go, but that's just by video, not by quality. So I want to make sure the quality is for the video, and I'm ready to be you know, seen by the world.
You ready?
No, I'm not excited about it either. Because I feel like the two worlds colliding, personal and then business. I don't me myself, I don't want them colliding. And then at the same time, it's like it's hard to not let them collide because you are who you are. You just you want to attract people that know what you're about, and you don't want to fake it. Be yourself and not pretend. And I don't pretend, but I certainly am not showing who myself is to the world. Lately, I have been. I just been putting on that. I don't give a like. I'm not saying I don't care about what I sell to the world, but I do not want to be dishonest with myself. It just cracked, like.
I know, it's crazy.
Kids over there getting
Okay, guys, so right now I'm working out. I did 2 videos. I'm on my 3rd one. But Tuesday and Wednesday I did not work out. But I have a active rest day tomorrow, so I'm going to use that towards my Tuesday. And for today, I'm doing my Tuesday and Wednesday workout combined together, which means I'm doing 6 videos. And then, I'm tired. And then tomorrow, I'm going to be doing today's workout, and I'll be all caught up, basically. I'm so tired though, like, I thought I would be able to do it with kids here. I'm watching my nieces and nephew. I'm forcing myself to do this right now. And I had more company. His cousin came over with her son, so I had 4 kids here. And I was watching them because she had a job thing here. It was just hectic. It was hectic. I was drinking all type of stuff. Hectic. But I'm back. I'm gonna thug it out for the rest of these days. I'm gonna make sure I don't mess up again. I'm gonna try my best not to. I can't promise you nothing, but life happens. I hope you guys can forgive me for that. But I'm not skipping a day. I'm skipping them, but I am still doing all of the workout days, and I will be caught up tomorrow because tomorrow I'm doing the last workouts I need to, because technically it's a rest day. But I already had my rest day Tuesday, so yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna be working out again. Oh, I'm so tired. Oh, another thing. Monday I noticed my knees were killing me. My knees are still killing me. Another reason why I wasn't up to working out, and like I just got some compression knee sleeves or whatever you want to call them. Hopefully they get here soon. It's saying it's gonna be here next Monday. I hope it comes sooner. I don't know. Today is Thursday, so we'll see how that goes. I'm tired. Ooh, nope, can't really see my sweating, but I'm so tired. I want to go to sleep, but I have 4 more videos to do. Yay. About to do it right now. But I just wanted to update you guys. So that's what's been happening. I hope it's not blurry. It looks kind of blurry. Fuck. Sorry about that. Anyways, I'm gonna finish this out and then go lay down because I'm tired as hell. Sweating. Oh my god. But yeah, that's it. I got the knee sleeves. I just did those 2 workouts and my knees are so sore, especially when I had to be on them. Oh, I don't want to do it no more. Like, anybody else get that same thing? I know some people say that happens to them when they work out, like doing squats and stuff. So that's why I got the knee sleeves, because people said that actually helps. So hopefully it does. I'm not gonna give up though. Let me get this workout done. Okay. So tired. Sorry again. So sorry. But I'm not skipping the days. I'm skipping them. But what I'm saying is I'm not skipping any of the workouts. I'm making sure I do every single video still. With, you know. But yeah. Anyways. Gotta work out. I'm tired. I'm tired of talking. All done. I'm exhausted. I'm about to take my clothes off and go to sleep. I don't feel like taking a shower. I'm about to go relax now. I'm honestly about to knock out. I don't have energy to do anything else. Just good night. Day 19 workout completed. Tired but done. I switched my rest days around. Yesterday was my rest day. Today I'm about to do this workout. You know, my knees has been killing me. I can't wait to get the knee sleeve things. But yeah, I'm about to do the workout real quick and then go shower. Yes. Yes. Okay, hold on. We made some hot cocoa. Oh, yep. Oh god. Okay, hot cocoa. Stop laughing at me.
Shows us all that cocoa.
I had a whole week planned and these kids wanted to get sick on me. They sick. I had them take COVID test though and it's negative, so it's just normal sickness. Started off as allergies and now they're sick. So I couldn't do anything with them. I wanted to go to the zoo, aquarium, and what's Six Flags? I believe it's Six Flags. They ruined it for me. I wanted to go for me. For me. Let me see what my other child was up to. Can you play one game with me and Adri before we go to sleep? Yes. Okay, let's go play Fortnite. 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 After this game, you guys have to go to sleep. Ignore my hair, it's not done. So me and the kiddos just finished watching Brave. We've seen it before, but we wanted to see it again. So we ate a lot of snacks and whatnot and watched that. It was nice. I'm sad I didn't get to upload today because today was supposed to be my last day with the kids. But my sister ended up wanting me to keep them longer, so I don't mind. But it just sucks because if I would have known that, I would have made time to finish editing so I could upload. But I found out too late. But it's okay. It happens. At least I got to spend the day with my kids, my babies, my nieces, and nephew. So I'm happy. It was a good movie. I like that movie. It's really good. Yep.
You not Jojo?
What?
Not Jojo?
What about him?
Hello.
He's in the room?
Yeah.
Yes, he's in the room.
Okay, you not sleeping, huh?
He's playing the game.
Oh, he play game?
Yeah, he's playing the game.
I still want to eat them. To play games.
Like you were the bananas. The bananas are on the fridge.
I knew that. Oh, so is this?
Yeah. What the heck?
It's not funny.
The new ones are right there.
What the? That's not funny. This
I thought it was.
No, it's not. This though. What's this?
Ooh, we made hot chocolate. Ooh. Ooh. One thing about having 3 kids is the dishes are crazy. It's annoying.
He's recording.
I am recording.
Yeah. Stop touching stuff.
Say hi to the vlog.
What's this?
Wait, hold on. I gotta be seen because my hair cute.
Really?
Hold on, Pimp.
Hey.
Hold on. She's saying hi to the vlog with her sexy tail. So cute. You're so cute. This is what kids do to you. I haven't seen so many dishes in my whole life. I'll show you, baby. It's not even a picture, it's a video. Whew. I've been doing so many dishes in so long. I haven't even been vlogging like that because these kids are a handful. Like, yes, I could vlog my day and whatnot. But man, no, that ain't interesting. At least I feel like it isn't. It might be to somebody, but I gotta deal with 3 of them little munchkins and they do this to me. I'm about to do the dishes real quick. I just cooked some food, but I need some dishes and stuff. I've been doing dishes every single day throughout the whole entire day and I'm so tired of doing dishes. Oh my god. I went from doing dishes every night, once a day, to 3 to 4 times in one day. That's so freaking crazy. Today, I didn't do it. I was like, I need a break. And it turned into this. The other days it wasn't as bad because I would clean as I go. I gave up today. I was like, I'm taking a break. Because I needed to take that time to edit my video and post it. And that caused this to grow. I don't feel like doing it at all, but I have to. I know I have to. Let's go. Knock this out. She was staring at me. I'll record you, baby girl. What?
Chicken noodle soup and chicken noodle soup. Stop! I still my toe.
Don't stop
Chicken wing,
me.
chicken wing, and you're hungry. Chicken wing, chicken stop.
Aunt Cora would never abandon Clancy. By the time we give him back, she'll have missed her train. But can your aunt catch the next train out of town? I'm just...
Let's go one of these.
Oh wow.
Let's go one, and I got package. Package. I got a package.
Ew.
And then I got a normal hamburger. Big hamburger.
Show the camera. Nice. Okay, go ahead.
Oh, hi Blue. Hi Reed.
No.
Hi Blue. No Blue.
Leave it.
Leave my candy alone. Ooh, though, why did that smell like something? Ooh. That's a gum here. It smells like
Aiden, sit down.
gummy.
No.
Gum. Stickers.
Aiden.
Gotta do stickers. Gotta do
I
stickers.
see. No, Blue. Leave it.
They'll put the sticker on you while you're sleeping if you don't stop. Where should I put the stickers on?
I don't know. You know, one thing about kids, 3 at that, is this lighting is crap. Hold on. Okay, there you go.
It's a gold one. There's a gold